Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, October 11th, and we're going to take a look at copper here. And we're going to build on what we talked about previously with the price action trading and naked trading concepts. Now, previously we discussed in an earlier video here, you can go back and look in the playlist here on YouTube for price action trading, but it was the one from Tuesday or Monday of this week. And what we discussed was looking at how a market moves, and then a market will run, and then it will go into compression, and then it will go into expansion, then go into compression, and then go into expansion, and go into compression, okay? It rarely just runs straight up or straight down without being driven by news. So what does that look like? Well, copper is a really good market for identifying this, and we're looking at it on a 60-minute price chart here. And you can see we had compression down here at the bottom, nice channel. We break out of that, we run back up. So we go into a period of expansion, then you go back into a period of compression here. We break out of this compression to the downside, and this is your period of expansion. Just happened for a few hours there as we dropped, then back into compression right here, another channel, then break out into expansion. And then today we had a really nice period of compression that also broke out into expansion and followed through fairly nicely. Now I want to build on that, and the way I want to build on this is this concept of looking at compression and expansion is you can trade it both counter trend and with trend. But the thing you want to keep in mind is if you're trading with the trend, so if you're trading the directional trend, you have a much higher probability of it following through in your direction for a bigger run. So if you look here, you can see this is overall an upward moving market. Now we did have compression and an expansion to the downside here, but that didn't follow through very much compared to the expansion to the upside here, the expansion to the upside here. Okay, so keep an eye on that when you're looking for these compressing markets that are setting up for a breakout. Identify the trend first, and we identify the trend based on price action and pivot points, whether or not we're putting in higher high, higher low pivots, and that would be an uptrend, or lower high, lower low pivots for a downtrend. Identify the trend first, and then if you're trading, if it happens to break out in the direction of the trend, understand that, okay, now this trade has potential to move quite a bit further than it otherwise would have. Okay, so that's all I have for you for today, though. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And until next time, happy trading, everyone.